The Rooftop Edible Garden is a wonderful initiative by Mrs Carmee and the RGS Alumni. It symbolises our commitment to sustainability as well as a living classroom, fostering closer connection to nature for our goal. Riding on this initiative, I'm thrilled to announce the upcoming Rafflesian Family Cook-Off. This event will not only serve as a feast for our taste buds, but also a source of inspiration for future initiatives. Let me extend my appreciation to the RGS alumni and many others who are supporting in organising this event. Wishing all a delightful and meaningful experience at the Rafflesian Family Cook-Off. Thank you.